What's popping, V Squad? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, V in progress, because we're only progressing here. Yes guys, as you can tell, I'm in a different location. How is this set? How amazing is this place? And this is just of what you're about to see. Today we are at the Mint Hub, which is located at the Western Heights in Westlands, just right next to Surrey Center. And I'm so excited, guys, to show you guys this space, because if you have an office, if you don't have an office, that is, because if you have an office, you don't need one. But if you need an office or a working space, or even you're having a meeting and you need a boardroom, this is the place to be. And because I'm not good with words of how to explain this space for you guys, I have an amazing lady that I'm going to be inviting shortly to come and show you guys through, to give you their packages, because some of you are asking for the link, and which I will also link their website down below. But if that person is you who is looking for space to work from, then come with me, come. Yes, and so guys, like I said, I don't have the right words to explain about spaces and everything, but one thing for sure, it's a beautiful space, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. And with me here is Faith.
Thank you.
Faith was already on my previous video. Actually, please check the video out here for amazing conversation. And she has a YouTube channel also by the name Real Vibes with Imani. Imani with an I, not Amani.
Yes.
Yes, and so Faith here will be taking us through the Mint Hub.
Karibu.
Karibuni. And voila, here we are. And guys, when I tell you it's the ambience for me, it's the ambience. So Faith,
Yes.
take over.
So, hi everybody. My name is Faith Imani. I work here at the Mint Hub as the business development manager, your solution to any need that you need for an office. All right. So thank you, by the way, so much for coming in. This is the reception, which serves all our clients, whether you are a walk-in or you are our in-house client. Okay. We have affordable packages that we offer to you. So I'll show you what we have.
Can't wait.
Okay.
Can't wait to get the packages and to see the rooms, guys.
Absolutely.
If you're up for this,
come with us. We understand you cannot afford to have a dull day, so we provide tea and coffee right here in our kitchen. It is actually part of the package. Tea and coffee is served whenever you need it. You could be wondering, Faith, my budget is only 10,000. What can I get with 10,000? I need a place to pop in and work. I also need some boardroom hours, and I also need a business address. Don't worry, I got you. Where I'm seated right now, it's a space specifically for somebody like you. With only 10,000, you're able to get 8 complete days in a month. You can pop in and work comfortably. If you wish to split those 8 days to half days so that you can maximize on the month, you are allowed to do that. We also give you 6 hours to use the boardrooms, and business address is also part of that package. What a good deal. Are you at the starting stage of your business and you're wondering, where do I start? You see, setting up an office can be really expensive, and that is where the Mint Hub comes in. We give you solutions that will not need you to pay, thousands and thousands of money just to get started. And that's why we have co-sharing spaces. What co-sharing spaces mean is you can take a desk with us. It's 24 hours. You can come in anytime. And besides that, that is your permanent sitting position for the period of time you'd wish to stay with us. So to get a desk, which is permanently yours, plus storage, plus 15 hours of boardrooms, you can get that at only 20,000 Kenya shillings. Do you have a project or interviews that you want to do and you're working on a budget? You can just actually book a private office like this for a month, for a week. Just let me know what you need. And could you be looking at a private office specifically for your team that you don't need to share with any other person? This could be the solution for you. We have 2-packs office. We also have such an office that can take 5 people. We also have one that can take up to 10 people. Privacy is key, and you could be asking, Faith, I don't have that big budget to get a private office, but I need it. How do I go about it? So I have such a beautiful private office, and you can share with other business entrepreneurs. What does that mean? You get storage, a place you can keep, your files, your laptop. You also get a private office you can co-share with other business entrepreneurs, and what a way to network. And you can get that at only 25,000 Kenya shillings. Book now. So are you looking at making the best impression? Are you looking at pitching, for example? Do you have an interview or a meeting that you need to hold? Don't worry, the Mint Hub will give you privacy that you will need for your meeting by offering such a boardroom where you'll have video conferencing equipment as part of it, projection screen, and if you'd like to write, we have a whiteboard and markers for you. As you can see, all our offices have AC, and as though that's not enough, tea and coffee is also provided for your guests. Such a boardroom that can take up to 7 people, you can just get it at 2,000 per hour. Why not book now? Privacy is something of importance, especially when you are doing your call. It could be a Skype, it could be Zoom, it could be just a normal phone call. So that is where we have Skype bots. Look at that, creativity at its best. And privacy is also taken care of. What are you looking at? We have no hidden charges. When it comes to deposit, we understand how annoying it can be for you when you're told, you know what, put down 3 months deposit. No, we are making your work easier. With 1 month deposit, 1 month rent, no hidden charges, you can own or rather rent a private office with us. Why not book now? Just call us on 0796 752 502. You can also visit our website on www.theminthub.com. We are on all social media platforms. If it's Instagram, we go at The Mint Hub. If it's Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, you can find us on The Mint Hub. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Faith, for that amazing tour of the Mint Hub. You guys, if you're looking for a working space made for your staff or you, the Mint Hub is the place to be. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video, leave me a comment on your thoughts about this review or the Mint Hub. And until next week, guys, see you. Bye.